December 5th, December 5th. Oh, ha, 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 December 5th, December 5th. Hi, Merry Yuletide. We have another one, which is Supreme Matcha Green. And it has the finest green tea and matcha blended to be supremely smooth. So yeah, it's quite an interesting one. Similar one again as to the English breakfast, where it has at least 3 to 5 minutes in order for it to blend as well. Well, infuse, sorry, not to blend. Obviously it's the blend of the herbs. So yeah, let's give this one a try. So this one's, I think it's just a plain green tea, to be fair, guys. So there it is, just a nice plain green tea in my eyes anyway, but we'll see. See, to me that's pretty standard green tea.